What if I told you that in the time it takes to read this sentence, another person oversaw has just been hospitalized due to a silent thief robbing their strength? This isn't about bad luck. It's a medical condition called sarcopenia. The slow, invisible wasting of muscle that comes with age. It starts with no alarm. One day, your legs feel heavy. Then, your balance feels off. Then, a fall changes everything. But here's the truth almost no one shares. This decline can be stopped, reversed, and prevented. The key is a specific type of protein. A 2023 clinical trial revealed that adding just 25 grams of strategic whole food protein each day helps seniors retain 28% more muscle without exercise, pills, or surgery. In this video, we rank 7 inexpensive, high-protein foods. They're accessible, affordable, and likely already in your grocery store, overlooked. Wait for number 3. It's not animal-based, not a supplement, and it aids muscle repair as you rest. You probably don't have it in your cupboard right now. Before we dive in, answer 2 questions for me. Do you consume at least 25 grams of solid protein at breakfast, or do you skip it? Where have you lost the most strength? Your legs, arms, or your grip? This isn't just small talk. Your answers help frame the personal battle you're facing. We're replying to every single comment with personalized, science-based advice. So please tell us below. Now, let's begin with number 7. Don't underestimate it. This food holds a protein that elders in Okinawa, a region known for remarkable longevity, thank for their vigor past 90. Number 7, edamame. These green soybeans pack leucine levels that rival expensive whey powder, activating muscle protein synthesis in older bodies within half an hour of eating. Think of leucine as the master key that unlocks your body's muscle-building workshop. The core problem for many after 60 is anabolic resistance, muscles becoming deaf to protein signals. It can seem like no amount of meat helps. Your body requires roughly 2.5 grams of leucine per meal to switch on muscle building, and most sources need huge, often unmanageable servings to reach that target. But a single cup of edamame offers 2.2 grams of leucine plus isoflavones that combat age-related muscle inflammation. Research from 2022 found seniors eating edamame 3 times weekly boosted their grip strength by 18% versus those getting protein elsewhere. That's a measurable difference you can feel in a handshake or carrying bags. How to use this? Purchase frozen shelled edamame. Boil for 5 minutes exactly. Overcooking ruins the leucine. Have 1 cup as in the day snack with a dash of salt. It's that simple, the unshared secret. Edamame protein absorbs 40% better when eaten alone between meals. Eat it solo at 3 p.m. when cortisol naturally drops, providing peak muscle protection. Picture yourself easily twisting open a tight lid. That's the power of precise timing with this protein. Your muscles are not just weight, they are your freedom. Store edamame in pre-portioned freezer bags and set a daily alert. Consistency trumps volume here, yet while edamame works internally, our next food alters your muscles' appearance and feel externally. Number 6, Greek yogurt. Plain, full-fat Greek yogurt delivers casein protein, which nourishes your muscles for up to 7 hours, halting the overnight muscle breakdown that speeds up after 60. The nightly emergency is nocturnal catabolism. Your sleeping muscles devouring themselves for fuel. It's a silent, nightly raid on your strength reserves. Regular yogurt won't help, but triple-strained Greek yogurt holds 20 grams of slow-release protein per cup, acting like a timed drip feed for your muscles. Consume 1 cup of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt 30 minutes before bed. Avoid low-fat kinds that spike insulin and disrupt repair. A 2021 study showed seniors doing this kept 31% more muscle over 6 months compared to those snacking on carbs. To triple absorption, stir in 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed. Its omega-3s help casein protein slip into muscle cells more effectively. Most people omit this or use whole seeds that go undigested, missing a crucial synergy. Your muscles starve overnight, consuming the tissue you need. Greek yogurt builds a protein shield until morning. Imagine waking without that familiar stiffness, feeling refreshed and stronger. That's when muscles rebuild during sleep instead of breaking down. Choose brands listing live active cultures. They improve protein absorption by 25%. Steer clear of yogurts with thickeners like cornstarch that water down protein. Greek yogurt guards you through the night, but our number 5 food contains a special protein your body now struggles to produce. And losing it is why you bruise so easily and your joints feel less secure. Number 5, collagen-rich bone broth. Authentic bone broth, simmered for 24 hours, contains glycine and proline, amino acids that rebuild the connective tissue fastening muscles to bones. After 60, your body makes half the collagen it once did, so muscles may feel capable yet disconnected, like they're not cooperating when you lift or catch a fall. It's the biological glue that's starting to weaken. The supplement market sells collagen powders for $50, but homemade bone broth gives you those same amino acids plus minerals like phosphorus and magnesium that spark muscle contractions. A 2023 study discovered seniors drinking 8 ounces daily cut muscle soreness by 43% and gained better mobility in 4 weeks. How to make it? Get grass-fed beef bones with marrow from a butcher. Roast at 450 degrees for 30 minutes until brown. Then simmer in a slow cooker with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for a full day. That vinegar, often forgotten, is vital. It leaches minerals from bones that your muscles require. Many recipes advise skimming the fat, but that golden layer holds vitamin K2, which guides calcium into bones, not arteries. Keep it and mix it into each serving. Envision bending to grab a grocery bag without knee creaking, or reaching high to change a bulb without shoulder pain. This is what occurs when connective tissue receives its needed proteins. Nourish your muscles wisely, and they return the favor with mobility. Freeze broth in ice cube trays, then bag the cubes. Drop 4 into hot water for an instant. Muscle-supporting drink costing about 50 cents. While bone broth mends connective tissue, food number 4 provides a complete protein your digestion can process effortlessly, unlike dense meats that linger for hours. Before we go on, if this video is helping you, please hit like, share it with someone over 60, and subscribe to Winds of Thought so you never miss a crucial update. Your support allows us to create more content that empowers your health. Number 4, whole eggs. 3 whole eggs offer the highest protein quality score of any food. Decades of cholesterol fear have scared seniors away from yolks, but yolks contain vitamin D and B12 that help muscles utilize protein. Eating only whites is like trying to construct a wall with bricks, but no cement. After 60, stomach acid drops by 40%, making proteins like steak difficult to process. Eggs digest fully in 90 minutes, delivering amino acids when muscles are ready. For maximum benefit, soft-boil eggs for exactly 6 minutes, firm white, liquid yolk, to protect heat-sensitive B vitamins. A 2022 study showed older adults eating 3 whole eggs at breakfast boosted muscle protein synthesis by 40%, more than those having cereal with milk. Here's a little-known fact. Eating eggs alongside vegetables can reduce protein absorption because plant fibers can trap amino acids. So, eat your eggs first. Wait 10 minutes, then consume your toast or veggies. The timing key. Eat eggs within 1 hour of waking, when cortisol is peaking, as it helps usher amino acids into muscle cells. Many seniors eat later, missing this opportunity. Imagine cracking eggs without fighting the shell, whisking without wrist fatigue, lifting a skillet single-handedly. These gains come from protein your body can actually use. Buy pastured eggs. They contain triple the vitamin D and deficiency. It's why some seniors can't build muscle, despite high protein intake. Eggs act quickly, but our number 3 food contains a protein that literally commands muscles to grow via a mechanism scientists only began to understand in the last 5 years. Hemp hearts contain elastin, a protein your body identifies as identical to its own muscle tissue, setting off immediate repair signals. Other plant proteins can't duplicate. Hemp hearts possess all 20 amino acids, including the 9 essentials, and are 25% protein by weight, surpassing beef. They digest in 2 hours, without gas or bloating. Hemp hearts come with their oven enzymes that break down protein for you. A 2023 European study revealed seniors adding 3 tablespoons of hemp hearts daily increased lean muscle mass by 8% in 8 weeks, changing nothing else. To benefit, sprinkle 3 tablespoons on your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Never cook them. Heat kills the enzymes. The insider tip: store hemp hearts in the freezer after opening because their delicate proteins oxidize within days at room temperature, turning rancid and promoting inflammation. Many associate hemp with marijuana, but hemp hearts have 0 THC and are perfectly legal. They contain gamma-linolenic acid, a rare omega-6 that reduces muscle inflammation in aging bodies. Picture sprinkling these nutty seeds on breakfast and enjoying steady vigor for hours, not a sugar slump. Purchase small, fresh bags, green-colored, not brown, for maximum bioactive protein. Hemp hearts signal growth, but food number 2 delivers concentrated protein for under $1 per serving, storing for months in your pantry. It's a perfect staple to keep on hand for days when fresh food runs low. Number 2, sardines. 1 can of sardines in water packs 23 grams of the most bioavailable protein on the planet, plus natural creatine that directly powers muscle contractions in a way chicken and beef cannot. The crisis eroding senior muscle isn't merely protein shortage. It's a lack of omega-3 fatty acids that help protein enter muscle cells. Sardines supply both simultaneously, which is why Mediterranean elders keep muscle for decades longer. Tired of that fiery thigh sensation just from walking upstairs? What if the secret to stronger muscles was in a tiny, affordable can? These tiny fish are consumed whole, including soft bones, offering calcium and vitamin D that work together to build muscle. A 2022 study found that eating sardines just twice a week raised muscle strength by 33% in people over 65. Buy sardines packed in water, not oil. Mash them on whole grain crackers with lemon to boost absorption and prevent discomfort. Imagine opening a can and unlocking the power to walk without pain. At just $2 a can, they're a better protein than a $15 steak. Number 1, cottage cheese. Full-fat cottage cheese contains both whey and casein proteins in a 20-80 ratio that perfectly matches what aging muscles need for instant and prolonged rebuilding, delivering 28 grams of protein per cup that absorbs better than any powder. The medical puzzle rarely explained. After 60, your muscles develop insulin resistance specifically in muscle tissue, meaning protein can't enter cells properly. But cottage cheese has branched chain amino acids that bypass insulin entirely and go straight into muscles. While costly protein powders bloat your gut, cottage cheese's naturally cultured proteins arrive with enzymes that redigest them. A 2023 gerontology study showed seniors eating 1 cup of cottage cheese before bed boosted overnight muscle synthesis by 52% and awoke noticeably less stiffness. To unlock this, buy only full-fat cottage cheese with live cultures listed. Eat it plain, without diluting the protein, and time it for either 30 minutes before bed or right after any physical effort. The game-changing secret: cottage cheese protein absorbs 300% better when your stomach is slightly acidic. So eat a small piece of pineapple or a few strawberries 10 minutes before the cottage cheese to naturally lower stomach pH. Most supermarkets highlight low-fat versions, but the fat is crucial. It contains conjugated linoleic acid, which specifically prevents muscle wasting while the protein constructs new tissue. Imagine rising from bed without clutching the nightstand, carrying all your shopping bags in one go, playing with grandchildren on the floor without anxiety about standing up. This is the independence proper protein timing creates. Opt for the 4% milk fat version. It carries vitamin K2 and vitamin A that activate muscle protein synthesis in ways low-fat options cannot. The stark reality. Each day you postpone fixing your protein intake. You sacrifice muscle mass that becomes progressively harder to regain after 60. But now you hold the blueprint, 7 foods that can halt and even reverse this process. Your muscles are your metabolic furnace, your stability network, your insurance for independence. Let's talk about how to weave this into your life seamlessly. Start tomorrow morning with those 3 eggs. Conclude your day with cottage cheese. This straightforward pattern supplies over 70 grams of bioavailable protein your muscles can truly utilize, spread throughout the day for constant support. But this is more than a list. It's a philosophy of eating with intention. It's about seeing each meal as an opportunity to invest in future mobility. The decision you make now decides whether you'll be opening containers and ascending steps with assurance next month or grappling with tasks that were once simple. The beautiful part is that you have all the power. The foods are available, the science is clear, and your body is waiting, ready to respond. We also need to address a common mental hurdle, the feeling that change is too late. Research is unequivocal. Muscle tissue remains responsive to protein at any age. The pathway might need a stronger signal, which is exactly what these leucine-rich, bioavailable foods provide. You are not fighting a losing battle. You are simply learning the new rules. Consider keeping a simple journal for 2 weeks. Note which of these foods you eat and pay attention to small victories. Is getting out of the car a bit easier? Does your grocery bag feel lighter? These subtle shifts are the first signs of your muscles awakening. They are proof that your body is thanking you for the specific fuel it craves. Furthermore, combining this nutritional strategy with gentle, consistent movement, like daily walks or light resistance exercises, creates a powerful synergy. The protein provides the building materials and the movement provides the blueprint, telling your body exactly where to place that new strength. It's a partnership that yields remarkable results. Before you leave, I have 2 questions for you. Which of these 7 foods was the biggest surprise? And what's one physical activity you wish to perform effortlessly again within 30 days? We are reading and responding to every comment with tailored guidance for your circumstance. So, share your answers below. This is a community focused on actionable science and shared success. Remember, your muscles are waiting for you to nourish them correctly, beginning with your very next meal. This isn't about a drastic overhaul. It's about strategic, loving upgrades to what you already do. Thank you for watching Winds of Thought. Take this information, trust in your body's capacity, and take that first simple step tomorrow. Your future, stronger self is already on the horizon.